The formula V equals the square root of 2.5 r models the safe maximum speed V in miles per hour at which a car can travel on a curved road with a radius of curvature r in feet. A highway crew measures the radius of curvature at an exit ramp as 490 feet. Which of the following is the maximum safe speed at the exit ramp? Okay, so I just need to put in 490 for r, 2.5 times 490. Okay, so I need to be able to do 490 times 2.5. So, well, doubling it's not so hard. That would be 800 plus 180 is 980. Okay, and then I have to take half of it, which is 245. Um, so I've got 1100 plus 125, so 1225. Ooh, that seems like a perfect square, 1225. It just feels like a perfect square. So I just need to check, are any of these squared equal to 1225? And then I'll know, because I don't know 1225 off the top of my head, if that's what the square root of it is. So let's try 32 times 32. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9. 1024. Okay. Nope. It's not 32. Let's try 35. 35 times 35. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 3 is 15. I get 17. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 3 is 9. And 1 is 10. And that's 5. 1225. Great. Okay. So it's option B because 35 squared is 1225. So the square root of 1225 is 35.